Hi dear children, I'm here with the chapter Periodic Classification of Elements, and today I'll teach you how to find group number, subgroup number, period number and block number of any element present in the periodic table. And there are some tricks to find this. So let me teach the first trick. Trick number 1, when the last orbital is s. For example, consider sodium. We know that its atomic number is 11. Then the electronic configuration of sodium is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s1. Now listen carefully. The last orbital of sodium is s. Then the block of sodium is s. Okay. Then the highest principal quantum number is here is 3. Then the period of sodium is third. And there is only one electron present in the last s orbital, so the group number of sodium is first. Also remember that if the last orbital is s or p, the subgroup will always be A. Hence, sodium is an s block element. It is present in the third period and first A group. Secondly, consider calcium. The atomic number of calcium is 20. Then the electronic configuration of calcium is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6 and 4s2. If I add all these electrons, I get 20 electrons. Hence, I have successfully configured the electron of calcium. Here, the last orbital of calcium is s. Then, the calcium is an s block element. Then, the highest principal quantum number of calcium is 4. Then, the period of calcium is fourth. And there are 2 electrons present in the last s orbital. Then, the group of calcium is second. And we know that if the electron of an element stay either in s or p orbital, then the subgroup will always be A. Hence, calcium is an s block element. It is present in the fourth period and second A group. And third, let us consider magnesium. The atomic number of magnesium is 12. Then the electronic configuration of magnesium is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s2. Here the last orbital of magnesium is s. Okay. Then the block of magnesium is s. Okay. Then the highest principal quantum number of magnesium is 3. Then the period of magnesium is third. And the last orbital of magnesium consists of 2 electrons. Then the group of magnesium is 2. And also we know that if the electron of an element stay either in s or p orbital, then the subgroup will always be A. So the subgroup of magnesium is A. Then let us go for the trick number 2. When the last orbital is p or d, consider nitrogen. The atomic number is 7 and the electronic configuration of nitrogen is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Here the last orbital of nitrogen is p. Then the nitrogen belongs to p block. And the highest principal quantum number of nitrogen is 2. Then the period of nitrogen is second. Okay. Now listen carefully. When the last orbital is p or d, always add the electron of p and s orbital to get the group number. Okay. For example, in the p orbital there is 3 electrons and in s there are 2 electrons. Then we can add these 3 and these 2 electrons together, then we'll get 5 electrons. So the nitrogen is in the fifth group.